First, the shampoo. It lathers up beautifully. It smells like beachy wonder. It has Sharosa 62 base scent in it, which is pistachio, salted caramel, and vanilla. It smells delightful, and it is really cleaning well. I've washed with the delicious shampoo. And then second, I'm gonna put the conditioner on and second the conditioner for 2 minutes, leave it in. It's very thick and creamy and you apply it to your hair. You can do this in the shower or bath, then rinse it out. The last amazing step is awesome. Before you detangle or style, you spray on the milky leave-in conditioner from Sol de Janeiro, Brazilian Hoya collection, and it smells so, so good.
Oh, and look at the results. The Sol Seal technology seals and repairs damaged hair, prevents future hair from damage. It is nourishing with Brazilian nut and strengthens and fights frizz with fruit oil. It is absolutely splendid. You will love the way the Sharosa 62 smells and the way your hair feels.